In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new account on Instagram. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to create a new account on Instagram, you need to click and hold on your profiles icon. Click on this add account option. Click on create new account. Enter a username for your new Instagram account. Then click on next. Now create a strong password for your Instagram account. After that, click on next. Now click on this add new phone or email address option. Now you can use your phone number or your email address to sign in. So enter your phone or email address here. Once you have entered it, click on next. Okay, a verification code is now sent to your new email address. Once you have received the code, all you have to do is to paste it here. And after entering the code, click on next. Now wait for a few moments. Now select your account's privacy type and click on next. You can add a profile photo from here by clicking on this add a photo option. And that's it. Your Instagram account is now created. In this way, you can create a new Instagram account. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.